Guys, to the third one. We're gonna do a 7 Pro Pack bundle this time. It's the last video for right now. I don't know about the day just yet. Last video. Let's see what we can get here. Alright, get a Lambeau Field. See what we can get. Okay, we need one more elite. Okay, one more elite. Just one more and I'll be happy. Oops. One more and I'll be happy right now. The hell is that? Oh, coach? What was our goal though? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Oh, 84 strong safety. Okay, let's go. Got a Wilhelm. What we got here? Okay, 84. Wide receiver Jeremy McClain. It's on my Chiefs now. He's in the Broncos or in the Ravens now. That quarterback. We didn't need him. We got Brock and Manning. Oh, that's our gold. Next. Okay, we get 79 free safety and a 77 punter. Let's go. That was our last one too, wasn't it? Yep, so that's all for today, guys. I'll see you next time.